Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can check the charging voltage of an alternator of a Mercedes Sprinter 2015 without any tool, just by using the hidden menu of this Mercedes Sprinter. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. This is a Mercedes Sprinter 2015 model with no buttons on the steering wheel. And I'm going to show you how you can check the alternator voltage, charging voltage of the alternator, without any tool. Okay, let's start by turning the ignition on to the second position. Then we have two buttons over here with an M on it and an O on it. We're gonna use the O button. Press that till you hear a beep. It takes about 15 seconds. Yes. Once you hear this beep, we're gonna use the M button, the button above. As you can see, a menu appears here and you can scroll through the M button, through the menu by pressing the M button. And there are several menus. As you can see, I can check also the oil level of this car, 10.6 liters. And how to check the charging voltage is this one. As you can see, it says volt 11.4, and I want to know if this charges. To know if the alternator is charging, you have, and as you can see, when we start the car, the alternator charges with 14.45 voltage, and that's enough. So the alternator is working and it doesn't need to be changed or to be repaired. This is how you check the voltage of the alternator without any tool, just by the secret menu of this Mercedes Sprinter. I hope it worked for you. I hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.